Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised I'm sharing a dairy-free filling weight loss breakfast smoothie with homemade almond milk. This smoothie will keep you fuller till lunchtime. This healthy breakfast smoothie is easy to make, especially on those busy mornings. You just have to add all the ingredients into a blender and blend, and breakfast is served. This wholesome smoothie, or you can call it a breakfast shake, is loaded with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats and omega-3s. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this wholesome and filling smoothie, first let's lightly roast some whole oats. Into a pan, I'm adding in 3 heaped tablespoons of oats and lightly roasting it on low to medium flame. You can also make double batches and store so that you don't have to do this every single time. Please check the description box below to know why I am roasting the oats. So once they are lightly roasted, keep the oats aside to cool. The second step is to make all natural homemade almond milk, and for that, into my blender I'm adding in 15 almonds which has been soaked overnight and peeled just before blending. Add in half cup water. Now blend this on high speed for 40 seconds. Once it is blended, you can see the almond milk is nice and creamy. I've already shared a detailed video on how to make all natural almond milk at home. So if you're new here, please do check the recipe. Links will be updated below the video. I'm adding in 1 whole ripe banana and I'm using the local variety. Add in the roasted oats. I'll be keeping aside a teaspoon of roasted oats to garnish the smoothie. 1 tablespoon flaxseed for that extra omega-3s healthy fats. I have already shared a video on the health benefits of flax seeds. Links will be updated below this video. Add in 2 pieces of cinnamon. Instead of whole cinnamon sticks, you can add in half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps to lower blood sugar levels. It is high in antioxidants, contains anti-inflammatory properties and also helps in fat burning. Add in half cup water and blend on high speed for 1 minute. Now pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. Drizzle 1 teaspoon honey over the smoothie. Now you can also add in honey while blending the smoothie. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon roasted oats. This will give a nice crunch. Half teaspoon cacao nibs. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, it gives a nice flavor. Half teaspoon chia seed for that extra omega-3s, and lastly drizzle in 1 teaspoon honey, and my super healthy, filling and tasty weight loss breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. Full of nutrients, omega-3s, antioxidants, vitamin E, healthy fats and minerals. A perfect way to start your day. Today I'm sharing a weight loss banana smoothie which is perfect for breakfast, and it will keep you feel fuller and satiated till lunchtime, and hence you will not feel the need to have a mid-morning snack. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make banana smoothie, I'm using old-fashioned rolled oats. I have already heated a small kadai, and into that I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. And I'm lightly roasting the oats. Now the reason why you need to roast the oats is that roasting the oats will reduce the phytic acid content in oats. Now instead of roasting the oats, you can also soak the oats overnight and use in this smoothie. Reducing the phytic acid content in oats is a must to help with digestive issues like bloating and stomach upsets. Always try to roast the oats, or you can soak the oats overnight. Once the oats is lightly roasted, turn off the flame and allow this to cool down. Now into my high-speed blender, I'm adding in 1 cup water. Instead of plain water, if you want a cold smoothie, you can use 1 cup of ice cube or even use frozen bananas. Now the banana I'm using is ripe and it has even started to blacken. So using very ripe bananas will give natural sweetness to the smoothie. Hence you won't need to add any extra sweetener. So try to use ripe bananas when making banana smoothie. Instead of fresh banana, you can also use frozen banana. Using frozen banana will make the smoothie creamier and thicker. I have already shared many recipes where I'm using frozen bananas in the smoothie. All the links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. And into this I'm adding in a small stick of cinnamon. If you're using cinnamon powder, use half teaspoon. Cinnamon not only helps in fat burning but also gives a nice flavor and a light sweetness to the smoothie. For extra sweetness, I am adding in 2 dates. This is entirely optional. You can totally omit if you don't prefer that extra sweetness. Now, when you're using dates, try to use soft medjool dates. Add in the 3 tablespoons roasted and cooled oats. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended banana smoothie into a serving glass. For some extra omega-3s, I'm sprinkling in half teaspoon chia seeds. And for healthy fats, I'm sprinkling in 2 tablespoons of crushed and roasted peanuts. Now instead of peanuts, you can use almonds or cashew nuts or any nut of your choice. And my healthy and filling banana smoothie is ready to serve. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a healthy strawberry oatmeal breakfast smoothie for weight loss. It's a filling breakfast smoothie perfect for a guilt-free Valentine's Day treat. So let's get started with the recipe. I have about 15 strawberries and I used a straw to hull the berries. All you have to do is poke them with a straw and push the straw up and the stem just pops right up. So easy. And once all the strawberries are pitted, I sliced them into half and kept them aside. First, let's lightly roast 2 to 3 tablespoons of rolled oats on a pan. And once the oats are lightly roasted and light golden brown in color, transfer the oats to another plate and keep it aside. Now let's make some fresh almond milk. If you have watched my almond milk recipe, then you may have noticed that I used my high-speed 1300 watt blender to make quick almond milk recipe. But today I'm using my 900 watt blender just to show you the difference. So into my blender I'm adding in 15 soaked and peeled almonds. To know why you need to soak and then peel the almonds, please check my almond milk recipe. Links will be updated below this video. Add in 1 cup water and blend on high speed for about a minute. Now I'm just pouring the blended almond milk to a cup just to show you. And can you see the small chunks of almonds? The almonds was not ground the way it did in my 1300 watt high speed blender, which I used to make my almond milk recipe. So if you use a low speed blender, the almonds won't be ground or blend well nicely. There may be small tiny chunks of almonds, so you may need to blend it longer time. Now into the almond milk add in the lightly roasted oats, the pitted strawberries. You can add in 1 tablespoon honey as a sweetener at this stage, but I'll be adding it later. Now blend on high speed for about a minute or until everything is nicely blended. Now pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass and drizzle 1 teaspoon honey. And again pour some more blended smoothie and drizzle some more honey, and also spread some honey on the sides of the glass and pour the rest of the blended smoothie into the glass. Sprinkle half teaspoon toasted oats on top, half teaspoon cacao nibs, half teaspoon chia seeds for that extra omega-3s, strawberry slices and a drizzle of honey. My healthy guilt-free strawberry oatmeal breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, enjoy this filling breakfast smoothie on Valentine's Day and let me know how this turned out. If you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.